News 90 English Bulletin. Pakistan Prime Minister has reached out to the Gulf nation, meeting Saudi, UAE and Qatar ambassador to resolve the tension between India and Pakistan related to the Pahalgam terror attack, which took the life of 26 people and others got severely injured. Let's have a look at the report. Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif met with Saudi, UAE and Kuwait ambassador to discuss the escalating tensions between India and Pakistan after the Pahalgam terror attack. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif Friday urged brotherly countries including Saudi Arabia to impress upon India to de-escalate the diffuse tension heightened after the Pahalgam terror attack that killed 26 people. Ambassador Nawab bin Saeed, UAE Ambassador Hamad Obaid and Kuwait Ambassador Nasir Abdul Rahman Jasir in Islamabad when the Prime Minister reaffirmed Pakistan's desire to peace and stability in South Asia, state-run media said here. A series of meetings with brotherly countries took place and heightened tensions between India and Pakistan after terrorists killed 26 people, mostly tourists, in Jammu and Kashmir's Pahalgam on April 22. The term brotherly countries is frequently used by the Muslim countries such as Saudi Arabia, UAE and Turkey, with which Pakistan is having good credentials. Radio Pakistan reported that while talking with Ambassador Nawab, the Prime Minister outrightly rejected baseless Indian accusation linking Pakistan to the Pahalgam incident without any evidence and reiterated his call for a transparent and neutral international investigation into the incident. While sharing Pakistan's perspective on recent developments in South Asia after the Pahalgam incident, Shehbaz Sharif said Pakistan condemns terrorism in all its forms and manifestations. Let's move on to the next bulletin. India has launched multifaceted offensive against the Pakistani Pahalgam attack, which took the life of 26 people, which happened on 22 April 2025. Let's have a look at the report. From suspending treaties to blocking celebrities, India has launched a multi-pronged offensive against Pakistan since the Pahalgam massacre. Check out all the actions in the last 10 days. It has been 10 days since the horrific terror attack in Pahalgam, Kashmir, that claimed the lives of 26 people on April 22, 2025. In this brief but intense period, India has mounted a multi-pronged offensive diplomatically, strategically and economically against Pakistan, which is responsible for sponsoring cross-border terrorism. PM Narendra Modi ensured that his message against terrorism reached the entire world. In a rare moment, PM Modi spoke in English during a public meeting in Bihar and said that the last of terrorists will be hounded till the end of the earth and punished for what they did in Pahalgam. Beginning just a day after the attack, India took sweeping measures to isolate Pakistan on various fronts. April 23, India suspended the Indus Water Treaty, shut down the Atari integrated checkpost and revoked the SAARC visa exemption scheme for the Pakistani nationals. Diplomatic ties were sharply downgraded with Pakistan's defense advisors in India declared persona non grata and directed to leave within a week. The strength of Pakistani High Commission in New Delhi was also halved. April 24, India blocked access to the official Twitter account of the government of Pakistan, tightening digital visibility restrictions. April 25, the Pakistan resolve of Pakistani actor Fawad Khan upcoming film Abir Gulal co-starring Indian actor Vani Kapoor was cancelled. April 28, a blanket ban on 16 Pakistani YouTube channels was imposed by India's Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, citing the spread of provocative content. The list included channels of public figures like former cricketer Shoaib Akhtar and journalist Arzu Kazmi. April 29, Instagram accounts of several prominent Pakistani actors including Hania Amir and Mahira Khan became inaccessible to users in India. Indian authorities also blocked social media handles of Pakistani drama channels like Hum TV and Jio Entertainment. April 30, India closed its airspace to Pakistani airlines. This move could have major consequences for Pakistani's aviation sector. Additionally, India deployed advanced jamming system along its western border to degrade the GNS signals used by Pakistani military aircraft. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned and keep watching News 90. Thank you.